Hello. Whoa. That's loud. How's everyone doing? Good. Great. By the way, this was awesome. Block V. Good job. I've been doing this all day. Hope everyone else got one of these fidget spinners. Right? These are pretty great. My name's Adam Draper. I'm the founder and managing director of Boost VC. We've been investing in Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto-related asset product things for about 5 years now. I was the first investor in a company called Coinbase. Actually, I have a very unique perspective where actually I learned about Bitcoin from the CEO of Coinbase. So Brian Armstrong sat me down at a coffee shop and he got to tell me about this thing that was going to revolutionize the world. And for all intents and purposes, the excitement here today is all about that. Wait, I meant to actually give myself a selfie. Give me 1 second. We're chill. Okay, we're good. Here, wave or something. Someone. Yeah. Perfect. I'm a fourth generation venture capitalist, which means, well, yeah, you guys know what it means probably. My great-grandfather was a venture capitalist, my grandfather is a venture capitalist, and my dad is also a venture capitalist. So, so that's what I am. And I'm the host of the Boost VC podcast. If nothing else, after this presentation, listen, please. It's doing well. It was sort of a fun thing for us, and now it's actually a big part of our marketing, trying to attract deal flow. Okay, so what is Boost VC? We're a venture accelerator. We have a programmatic approach to investing in startups. Every year we have 20 to 25 startups go through a program in downtown San Mateo. We provide housing, office space. We invest in startups. It's awesome. It's really fun. More than that, we've backed, through the accelerator, we've backed things like, Etherscan. Has anyone here used Etherscan? Yeah. My Ether wallet? Where are those fools? We've been sort of a trusted emblem in the space for a long time. We love the crypto space. It's like a piece of my arm. I've been in it for so long, and it's so fun to see it thrive in a way that it is today. So we have a portfolio of 200 plus startups, and we've just been a huge ambassador to Bitcoin and the blockchain space for a really long time, and crypto, I guess, is what we call it now. I've been through all of the words, so sorry if I'm old-fashioned in some ways. So what we're looking for, I wanted to quickly say what we're looking for, and then I have a more fun, I felt like, there's so many great people who are speaking on the stage, and everyone's taking it so seriously, because it's now a thing. I sort of miss the good old days a little bit, so I decided to have a fun part of my presentation too, if you guys are okay with that. Yeah. Someone, in the middle, say something. Okay, good. But what we're really excited about are infrastructure like the MyEther wallets and Etherscans of the world. I feel that that's really the next phase of the blockchain development, because those are actual apps interacting with a blockchain. UX, UI, I think these are huge things to overcome. Technically, decentralized apps, for all intents and purposes, they suck for users. So I want to see the companies that are going to change that. And then if you aren't doing an ICO and you're in the space, my email address is adam@boost.vc. Half kidding. Okay, but here, this is the part that you're all excited about, obviously, because you're listening to me still. But you're in my world. I got this for 10 minutes no matter what. So you might as well enjoy it. So this is the 10 Rule Survival Guide to Crypto. because I've been in this space for about 5 or 6 years, and this is really me welcoming all of you to the space, even if you were in it before me, which probably some of you were. And so here it goes. Rule number 1 of crypto: never stop talking about crypto. Yeah, I mean, this has really done us well. We are incentivized by a protocol to talk about it. It's fantastic. I've been talking about Bitcoin and like the price went up. What? That's crazy. And so just don't stop talking about it. We are the marketers for this entire industry. You are a node in this mechanism that is being built out. So please keep talking. It spreads the dream. Rule number 2. There are 10 of them. Oh, I already said that. Buy some Bitcoin. Sorry, it drives me nuts when someone is pitching me about Bitcoin and they don't own any Bitcoin. So buy some. If you don't own any, sign up for Coinbase. Log in, hook up your bank account. Just, press that good old buy button. And Ethereum too while you're at it. Because you'll at least have some understanding of what everyone's talking about. Yes. Rule number 3. Everyone's already, we'll find out what it is. Interchangeably use the words Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto, network, and distributed ledger. No one will question you. It works incredibly well. This network is distributed with a ledger, and it's built on a blockchain. All of those mean the same thing. Token. Rule number 4. Good. You guys are waking up a little bit. Me too. Constantly talk about that one time that you met Vitalik. Everyone has their one time. I met Vitalik. I met Vitalik Buterin in North Carolina at a Bitcoin conference where I didn't believe Ethereum was going to be a thing. And I am very wrong. I am very welcoming of saying that, which is, we're not always going to be right. I'm just excited about the entire industry. So I find that this is a topic of discussion that happens in every single Bitcoin conversation. It's like, I met Vitalik last week. I was at dinner. He was there. Didn't talk to him, but I was there. He was there. Yeah, he started Ethereum. It's cool. Rule number 5. We're only halfway. Argue about how forking is a good idea. Rule number 6. Argue about how forking is a bad idea. Like, what the fork, guys? It's fantastic. Actually, to be fair, one of the reasons that I love the crypto space is that it's so passionate. And honestly, where those friction points are, that's where innovation happens, because you create this confirmation bias. You stick your heels in the sand and you're like, no, I'm right. And then the other person's saying, no, I'm right. And then Twitter blows up into a big old chaotic mess. And then everyone builds something cool. And that's basically what I'm betting on. I'm betting on really smart people debating, proving themselves right. And that's what this entire ecosystem is about. So you guys are a part of that. So welcome. Rule number 7. This thing's falling off. Having met Vitalik Buterin is not a qualification for a resume update to crypto advisor on LinkedIn. So I've been seeing a lot of crypto advisors pop up on people's LinkedIn profiles. It'd be great if you were in the industry for a little while before you pop up as that. This thing's falling. I'm just going to hold it. We good with that? Hello. We're good with that. Okay, we're going to have this one instead. Okay. Wow. You in the back now can hear. Okay, next. Rule number 8. Don't start a crypto fund. You'll lose to me. But they're great. I like anyone who's supporting the ecosystem. So keep doing that. And really, it's about smart people building big ideas. And so anyone who is starting a crypto hedge fund, yeah, don't. Rule number 9, Craig Wright is not Satoshi. I've never met him. I have nothing against him. Just if that was even a thought. I thought I'd put it in my 10-slide deck about what you should be thinking about as far as joining this ecosystem. Rule number 10, build value. Yeah, this is the only one that really matters. I was just going through the rest to see if anyone was listening. Really, this entire system is built on people. And I think sometimes that's forgotten, is that there are technologists and they're enthusiasts. It's like enthusiasm meets intelligence meets, it's like a really exciting place. And that's why everyone gathered here for this conference, is that it's a really exciting thing that there are a lot of unknowns for. And everyone's trying to find the answers, and I don't have all the answers. I have a list of 10 things that barely make any sense. But what I want everyone to do is I want you to participate in a way that's building value, that is actually like we are trying to progress the system. By the way, if a token doesn't make sense for your product, it's going to bite you in the ass. Like, it will. And maybe it's not today, maybe it's not tomorrow, but like, build true value. Set out to solve the problem you set out to solve and solve that problem. And sometimes token is the answer. And we will support that. We've supported a lot of ICOs. We've supported, well, like a small subset of ICOs. But we've supported a lot of people. And we really, really love this ecosystem and everything that's been built. And it's incredible because, like, when I started, which, you know, I'm not that old, but like when I started 5 years ago investing in the space, I would say, how many people here have heard of Bitcoin? And like 4 people in that corner would be the people who are raising their hands. And now it's like, how many people own Bitcoin, Ethereum, and like every other crypto asset on CoinMarketCap? And I'm sure everyone here would be raising their hands. Like, fintech has changed to crypto. And that's a really exciting thing because we're really upending this industry. So, my name's Adam Draper. I'm founder and managing director of Boost VC. And thanks for listening to this. Have a good one.